Welcome to AiPower's AHEEC lithium battery factory in Hefei, China, spanning more than 10,000 square meters. AHEEC is a hub of innovation and excellence in lithium battery technology. Our factory specializes in the research, development, and manufacturing of versatile lithium batteries, with voltages ranging from 25 6V to 153 6V and capacities tailored to meet the diverse needs of industries worldwide. Equipped with a state-of-the-art automated workshop, we maximize production efficiency, precision, and consistency, achieving an impressive annual capacity of 7 GWh. This advanced facility allows us to maintain high standards while reducing labor costs and enhancing product quality. At AHEEC, we source our cells from world-class suppliers and implement rigorous quality control measures, ensuring that our batteries deliver reliable, high-performance power for electric forklifts, AGVs, and more. Choose AiPower's AHEEC, where we drive the future of sustainable energy with unmatched quality, innovation, and dedication to excellence.